final look. Hey guys, it's me Cidrina and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be recreating James Charles makeup looks. I was scrolling through Instagram and his makeup looks are phenomenal and way too hard for me to do because I'm definitely not a professional or anything. So I had to scroll way back to find something simple enough for me to do. Anyways, I'm excited to do this video because doing makeup is actually really fun and I hope you guys are too. You guys already know what to do. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram at official_peachyqueen. Also, please make sure to follow me on TikTok at Cidrina_faith. And now, let's get on with this video. So here's the picture of the makeup look I'm going to try to recreate. And it doesn't look too hard for me to do, but it's also not my everyday makeup look, so it's gonna be a little bit challenging. But I'm super excited to do this. Let me get all of my makeup in frame. Of course, I have to bring in my makeup mirror. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off with my regular old makeup routine because it seems like he has a basic foundation of makeup on and then all of the specific cool looking stuff comes with the lips, the eyes, and the brows. So I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty primer. Here is my Fenty Beauty primer and I just put it all over my face. It's kind of like lotion and it's supposed to protect your face and it smooths your face out as well. My skin is probably like, why are we here again? Why are we doing makeup for no reason? Well, my skin's telling me no, but my channel's telling me yes. Ooh, time for concealer. My concealer is by Fenty Beauty and it is in the shade 410. All right, let's cover up these bags because I really need it. Other side. Cover up any blemishes. And now we blend. By the way, guys, I don't really say this a lot, but I usually make sure to soak my beauty blender in water and then I dry it a little bit so that it's damp and not all dry while you're using it. I feel like you guys have high hopes for this makeup look and so do I. I just hope I can do it because James Charles is so talented, obviously, and I just do makeup here for fun. I'm not a professional, but today we're gonna see where my skills can get me. All right, looks to me like everything is concealed. I think I should conceal my eyelids as well. This feels weird. Ah! And we're gonna brush out the concealer. Now that my face is looking all plain and bare, it's time to move on to the next step, which is foundation. I have my Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is in the shade 420. I just pump it on my hand. Whoa, what kind of squirt? And then I take my beauty blender and I apply it to my face. And I do one section at a time because if you don't do one section at a time, the foundation is gonna dry really quickly and you're gonna have some dark spots on your face. You gotta go quick with this. This kind of felt liquidy. I probably should have shaken it before I put it on. You guys should really look into Fenty Beauty products. By the way, I'm not sponsored at all, but I don't know, I just really like their products. Also, if you're a fan of Rihanna, you would definitely want to look into her makeup. Speaking of Rihanna, everyone's talking about how she's not releasing any new music or albums. And honestly, I'm wondering too, like what happened to her? I kind of want a little bit more. And dab away. You know what? I should be acting like James Charles. Hi sisters, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys are gonna be sister shook with my makeup look. I will be recreating one of my old makeup looks from like 2 years ago. Whoa, oh. Press powder. This one is not by Fenty Beauty, it's by CoverGirl. Here's what it looks like. Oh my goodness guys, this smells so good. I dab the brush on my skin because I feel like if I rub it, it's gonna take the foundation and concealer off. So I try to avoid that and dab instead. Everything looks smooth and basic the way I want it to be. And now we're gonna move on to the more complicated stuff. I need to look at this makeup look again. Brows are looking nice. I usually struggle with brows, but we're gonna try. And we also have eyeliner, which I also never do, but I'm going to attempt it for you guys. So for my brows, I have 2 e.l.f. products. This is my e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream, and it's in the shade Espresso. And to apply it, I have my small e.l.f. angled brush. I don't like this. I feel like I'm gonna mess it up. I'm gonna brush it out with my Wet n Wild brow pencil and brush. But we're gonna continue to add on the, I naturally have thin eyebrows and I feel like I don't look good with dark eyebrows. But maybe I will. Maybe it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Oh no, guys, it looks like I have a caterpillar on my face. Maybe it just looks weird because the other eyebrow is not done. How do you do this? Whoa, 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 that looks so bad. So bad. No. Okay, I'm gonna do this eyebrow off camera and see if I can figure it out because look how bad it looks. Whoa, someone save me. I don't like it. I know I've never really been good at eyebrows, but I wanna try to get good. But you know what? There's more to this look than just brows. I think it's time to start on the eyeshadow. So it looks like he started off with a brown color and then did a cut crease and added the gold onto it. Anyways, I'm gonna look at my palette and find a shade that's closest to the one he used. I think I'm gonna use this shade over here. I don't know why it looks so pink on camera. It's literally like kind of like a brick color. This one right here. Maybe I'll mix it with this. But I don't know, the camera's kind of deceiving you guys. Let's see what I can do here. And just apply that onto my lid. Oh, this is a very pretty color. As you guys can tell, I really want this to go well. I don't want this to be a fail. It seemed like it was high up, so I'm gonna kind of raise the color up here. I hope you guys can see what's going on so far. Just a little bit of brown so it doesn't look too red, because I'm trying to get it closest to James' eyeshadow as I possibly can. Whoa, the right eye is looking so good to me. Ooh, okay. What did I get myself into, guys? This seems more complicated than I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna attempt to do a cut crease, but I'm extremely scared. Oh, okay. The edges are really rough. I can say that right now for sure. Everyone makes this look so easy, but it's really not. Here's the look so far. Do not judge me, guys. I already told you I'm not a professional and I just do makeup for fun. I don't want you guys coming for me in the comments. We only do constructive criticism here. My cut crease is not that bad, but I want it to be better. But anyways, let's add on glitter to my eyelid. Have to use this shiny gold glitter right here. I'm gonna have to like pack this on, but I really need it to be a lot. Oh, wait, it's working. Whoa, but I'm definitely getting the glitter everywhere. Speaking of getting the glitter everywhere, I have to make sure to get the glitter on my inner eye. Wow, guys, makeup is literally such a skillful art because not everyone can do it. I'm actually very impressed with this glitter eyeshadow. I didn't think it would work as well as it is. Now I'm going to take pointed smoky eyeliner brush and use it to put the glitter on my inner eye. Okay. This eyeshadow is not clean. Let me just move on to the eyeliner. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. cream once again. I think this is gonna mess it up. I don't know how to do eyeliner. I don't do it ever. But I'm just gonna fake it till I make it, guys. Okay, this is my method. I'm gonna make it extremely thick. Then I'm gonna fix it later with micellar water because I don't know how to do this. That's like the only method I have right now. Actually, his doesn't wing out as much, so I have to make it look like sharp. Let me see if I can shape this. Hold on, it seems like this method is actually working. Wait, is it just me or is this one ending up better than the first one I did? I think I should just move on. Leave it the way it is before I mess it up even more. Now let's do highlight. I can definitely do that. And I will be using my e.l.f. highlighter. He has a lot of it on. So I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones. And I kind of blend it with my finger. I need some for the tip of my nose. Ooh, on the brow bone as well. Okay, and for the last part, which is the easiest in my opinion, it is the lipstick. So I have this Rimmel London Stay Satin lipstick. Okay, it's time to apply it. I take lipstick seriously. You have to get every corner of your lip. And there we go. But this is a matte lipstick, so I'm going to take my Broadway Coconut Oil Lip Gloss. Here's what it looks like. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this on so that the lipstick can stay glossy. Ooh, that looks amazing. I really almost forgot to put mascara on. I'm just gonna do it really quick. It's like it didn't even make much of a difference. And I guess this is the final look. I'll give you guys a little bit of a close-up. If I had to rate it, I would give myself like a 6 out of 10, especially at the skill level I'm at when it comes to makeup. It is not terrible, especially with the fact that I don't usually do my eyebrows or eyeliner. And I also don't do cut creases. Little overview. I feel like I need to put on my flashlight just to show you guys my highlighter. Does it even show? It shows more in real life. You can definitely see it on my nose. Guys, this makeup looks so much better when there's good lighting. Look. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I struggled a little bit, but I think it still ended out pretty good in the end. You guys already know what to do. Make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram at official_peachyqueen. Also, please make sure to follow me on TikTok at Cidrina_faith. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I got it pretty like a girl. He got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel.